guys to Foggy Mountain Messenger's lessons. Today we're going to be looking at the classic bluegrass tune, Cripple Creek. This is a very well-known song, and many bluegrass players play it. It's actually was the first song that I ever learned, first actual banjo break that I ever learned. And it's just super simple, but it's so much fun to play. And so I'm going to be showing you the way that I learned it. I'm going to try to make it as easy as I can to follow along. I'm not going to give you tab. I'm not going to slow it down unless you figure it out. I'm going to take you step by step through this process, and hopefully it makes it easier. But first thing I would say to you guys is when you're learning banjo, it's better to take it slow for the first however long it takes you until you can get it fully accurate. Because if you start speeding it up before you get accurate, it can mess you up, and then you start learning it that way, and then it ends up not turning out right. So what I would really recommend is that you would just play it slowly until you can get it fully accurate, and then start speeding up the process. So anyway, let's dive right into it. So we're just in standard G tuning. Okay. This is a very simple tune. So all you're gonna do to start out is we're gonna start out with 2 pinches. That would be simultaneously plucking the 1st and the 5th string to get a pinch. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna fret the 2nd fret of the 1st string, and we're just going to take a pinch, and we're just going to pinch and then slide it up to the 5th, and then do another pinch. So that'll give you. Okay, then we're going to let go, and we're just going to do the open 1st string, open 2nd string. So you should have. Pretty simple. Okay, then we're going to grab a partial C chord. We're not doing a full one, just a partial. And then we're just going to be doing a forward roll. So it's going to be 5, 2, 1, 5. So that's 5, 2, 1, 5. And we're going to let go and just do the 1st string, open 1st string, with another pinch. So you'd have. So all together you have. Okay, so here's going to get into where you're going to get into those fancy slides. So it's simple. So all you're going to do is just fret the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and we're going to do a alternating thumb roll. So you're just going to go from the 2nd to the 4th. Just an alternating thumb roll. Okay, so you're just going to be doing that one time. And then you're going to be doing a pull off. You could do it 2 ways. The first one is going to be easier. The second one is the one that I typically use when I'm playing it. So I'll start with the easy one first. So you're going to start with the alternating thumb roll. Then you're going to do a pull off from the 3rd fret to the 2nd fret. Open 2nd string, and then open. Okay, so that will give you. Okay, and we're just going to be doing a hammer on the 4th string, 2nd fret. We're going to be doing an alternating thumb roll, so it's just going to be 4, 2, 5, 1. And then just an open 3rd string, and with a pinch. So that part is. If you want to do it a little bit differently, you don't want to do this pull off. I just do a pull off from the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and just kind of pull off the 2nd fret to open. So you one that I typically use, but both sound good. So all together you should have. And there you go, that's the whole A part. So now going into the B part, it's just going to be the same slides that we just learned, just over and over. So it's going to be like this. And then it just repeats. So basically you're just going to be doing the alternating thumb roll from second to fourth fret on the third string. Basically what you just did before. But instead of going, you're going to be doing the same thing. And then open open fourth string. Pinch. So you should have. And so then you're just going to be doing the same thing. And then we're going to be doing that same thing that we did in the A part. So you should have. So after you have all that practice, and it's going to take a couple times, like I said earlier, you know, it's going to be, it's better to practice slow and get it completely accurate than try to aim for speed, because speed is just going to mess you up if you cannot get it accurate. So just make sure that you take it slow, be patient with it, just take your time until you can get it pretty much fully accurate. And once you can get it fully accurate, then start speeding it up. So we'll do it together slow, and then I'll speed it up.